Hello everyone, this printer is Epson EcoTank L3280. I'm going to show you how to scan documents with this printer to your mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via Wi-Fi network and using Epson Smart Panel. To scan documents, open the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Make sure the document starts from the right. You will see arrow on the right side. Then close the cover. Select scan. Then select the size as A4 or whichever size you want to use. Then you select the size of the paper. Select the color and resolution. High resolution is 600 dpi. It's currently in standard 300 dpi. Image format PDF. If you want to scan photo, then you select JPEG. Then you select start. So the document is scanning. If you change your mind, you can select cancel or you cancel it panel. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the next page, open the glass scanner and stick the next document you want to scan face down. Close the cover. Then select plus scan to scan the next page. These are the documents we scan, 2-page document. You can delete it, you can rotate it, you can scan this as many as you like. Once you finish, then you select next. Then it will show you the file. You can save the file name. You can remove the date the file was scanned, then type your name or however you want to save the file. Then select save. Then you select location, then you select choose this folder. Allow the file so the document will be saved in the picture. Then you select save. The file is saved. You go back to the home page. I want us to print this out, so I'm going to select no. To print it out, select share. It gives you platforms for you to share the document. You can send it to email or print it out or via WhatsApp. So I want to print it out, so you select Epson Smart Panel from the list. Select Epson Smart Panel. Once you select Epson Smart Panel, the document will be attached. This is the document, 2-page document. To print it out, you select print and print settings. Make sure you select correct printer. Select the range, the size, A4, borders. You can select borders. You want to print it in color. If you want to print this document two-sided, you can select print range. Then select particular, can select custom, then remove particular one you want to print, then select OK. So you're going to print only page 1, then select print. So the document is printing page 1. After the document is printed, we're going to reload it to print the next page. So I want to show you how to scan print document two-sided with this printer. So to print the next page, take the document, reload it on the paper tray. Then confirm the paper as A4 plain paper, select OK. To print the second page, then it will show you go back to the home page, then you select No. Then select Share icon to print the document. Then select Epson Smart Panel. So the document is attaching. So 2-page document. Then select the settings, print settings, select print range. Now I want to print page 2, so you remove page 1, it will show you page 2. Then you select Done. Then select Done. Then select Print. This is the document we printed out, two-sided. This is how to scan document from this printer to your mobile phone, save it, print it out, two-sided. Thank you very much indeed.